Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking these videos, then hit this subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481. For the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel just for learning purpose, you can click the link in video description. Open your account either in Zerodha or upstox or Angel Broking for your trading accounts. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So yes, how do I pick my stocks faster? So one of the way I will tell you guys, so it will help you guys so that you can start practicing at least from now on, or whenever you have the chance to practice it, you can practice and do your paper trades so that after few months, after few years, you can use it in a better way. So now, for example, this is Streak by Zerodha. All right. So yes, this is a paid one actually. So you get some free trial for a few days, and after that it's a paid. So long back I used my free trial, and I have paid it for certain months already. So every day you will get, I have taken a small plan, so every day I get 100 scans, 25 deploys in backtest. Backtest means you can backtest any strategy. Deploys means you can put orders. Okay, if anything your strategy fulfills, the orders will automatically go to Zerodha because this is a partner with Zerodha. So Streak is a partner of Zerodha, and let's say scans is something which I'm going to talk about today. So I've done already utilized 17 scans today, so 83 scans are remaining in my small pack. So this is just an example I'm giving you. Whenever in the future you buy, you'll get to know about all this. So how basically I pick the stocks faster. So now here we can create, now I'm not going to talk about all these scans, we can do later, but I'll teach you basically how we can utilize it. Now for example, see, I had told you about this particular video. If you have not seen, watch this. So intraday strategy with stochastic. So according to it, we need to wait for the stock to go below 40, minus 40, right? From there we are planning to buy the stock. Now or else, let's say risk points. I spoke about risk points with let's say any indicator, RSI, MACD. From down you have to buy, from top you have to sell. Always see the risk, where is high, where is it low. Now how to understand that and how to capture those stocks, because every time I can't keep opening my monitor and check all the stocks levels one by one. I understand that we will be working in the office or in the college and all that, so I can't keep doing all this. So for that particular reason only I use a scanner, because that will reduce half of my manual work by checking. Now for example, if you want to scan, let's say Nifty 50 stocks, okay, so you can put Nifty 50 or 100. Let me put 500 for a better example, because market is closed now, so we may not get much stocks or something. So I'm putting overall Nifty 500. So you can limit yourself to Nifty 50 in the live market, or Nifty 100 only you want to look into. So you can put like this, and then after that you can, for example, we spoke about, let's say RSI. So you know that buying in the down, when the risk area is low, we will try to buy a stock. So for that, let's say we are following 3-minute candle, right? So whatever is your strategy, you can type like this. Then you can choose candlestick or Heikin-Ashi. So let's give Heikin-Ashi or something. Let's say which is that indicator. I will type directly to find it. So let's say RSI. Let's give default. Okay. RSI. Then we will give some conditions here. Okay. So you know that RSI is already there. Now what is the condition? So when it crosses above only, I want to get notified about my stock. So crosses above, let's say I'm putting a number here. It has to cross above how much? Let's say number, I'm clicking here, 30. So RSI, when it goes below 30 and when it crosses above, okay, that is when we will look into the trade. So you can put 30, or if you want to be in advance, you can put 25 based on your numbers. You can type like this and then give OK. And now if you want, you can give another condition. I'm just giving you a few example. Now say this is RSI. Okay, so RSI. Now I want to know these are the low risk stocks which are in the lower level, trading in such a lower level, so that after some time this may go up. Okay, I'm not teaching you a strategy, I'm teaching you a basic idea how to find stocks with your strategy. Now for example, I'm finding low risk stock like this. Now these are the stocks which are trading, which have crossed above 30. Okay, so therefore you can have a look on this. Or else, for example, let's say the market is green, then you can go with the top positive stock, for example India Cement, something like that, because that has reached its lower level. Now buying from the lower level, the risk is comparatively less, right? Same way, let's say the market is negative, you want to go to sell, so rather go to negative stocks rather than going to positive stocks. So you're selling on a negative stock here, and then you will take a chance. Now if you want to limit yourself more neatly, just put Nifty 100 or something like Nifty 50 and see whether you're getting. So still we are getting some stocks here. So the market is closed, but still these are the levels which are closed today. So ICICI Bank is there, and Dr. Reddy is there. So for example, Dr. Reddy, if I would have gone for buy and sell based on those particular situation. So this scenario what I showed was buy. Okay. Now for example, you're going for sell, then again you have to change all this criteria. Let's say RSI is there. Alright. So now what you will do, you want to sell in the top. When it is from the 70 level range, it is falling, you want to sell. So crosses below what number? You can type number like this. Alright. So let's say it is crossing below 70. So I want to get notified. So like this. So something you can name and scan. So automatically these are the stocks. Bajaj Auto is the stock which has crossed from top 70 RSI. So it is better for me to sell that particular stock from the top rather than selling in some other area. So waiting for the right stock, okay, either pick your stock. See, I use a lot of other scanners also to pick a stock. After picking a stock, entry point also is important. So you have to wait for that entry point. On a lot of stock, how to know where to enter and when to enter. That, for example, low risk area, high risk area. So watch this video to get the better idea. So these are the stocks which is in better position to sell. Okay, because it is crossed below 70. From now this point, if I sell, it is far better compared to selling in some other point, right? So therefore I would prefer this particular stock comparatively. So like this, when you filter, you get lot of stocks. Or else now let's say let's talk about this stochastic. Okay, now stochastic, I need to find stocks which are below and above. So for that, what I should do now, let's say Nifty 100 or Nifty 50. What did we speak? 5 minutes, right? Heiken-Ashi itself. So we were talking about the indicator stochastic momentum index. Okay, so here I'll select it. For example, just give default setting done, and then give a condition that it has to cross above. For example, from below, for example, buying. If market is buying, I will go for buying, right? So for example, the market is green, so crosses above. I'll give a number, okay, stochastic number. So you guys should have seen, or if you not see the video, watch this video, or else you will not understand what I'm saying. So after watching that, start using this whenever possible. So now it is negative 40, right, from down. So let's say I'm putting negative 40, or if you want alert before that, let's say you're putting 43, 42. Okay, so whenever it crosses, for example, give this number only, so we can name it something later. So now, so these are the stocks which actually crossed, stochastic crossed above 40, so that I can take some advantage from the lower levels. Now I can limit myself to Nifty 100 during the day. Okay, only Biocon is a stock which has crossed above that, and let's say the percentage is positive. Maybe I'm going for a buy side, so this is a positive stock, so I can do that. Same thing, if you want to sell, then you would have gone to cross below 40, not negative 40, 40. You will get stock names which you can sell. So this is one way how you can, use your strategy, apply it here, whatever time frame is your strategy, and whatever candlestick breakout or Heiken-Ashi, and whichever indicator you want to use. You want to put some functions here, values here, brackets. There are many things which you can do. Okay, so based on your strategy, wherever you learn, apply them, and then it will filter out all the stock names, so that you don't need to manually sit and check all your stocks. So all the stock name will come immediately. So you can set alerts also. You can take it live. So if you click take it live, it will ask for, like, for example, every 1 minute you want it to run, every 3 minutes, every 5 minutes. So you can hit that every 1 minute and keep filtering. So once you get a stock, you enter a position, you can stop it, or else what will happen, your scans will get over here. Okay, your scans, you see 80 scans only now. So your scans will get over. So in 24 hours it will get renewed. After 6 hours, I think after 12 o'clock, it will renew again. I'll get 100 scans per day. Alright. So like that we can put, and also if you want, you can create a strategy based on this, saying that buy at this position, sell at this position, and that will automatically we can set automatic orders also. That's what it says, deploy. Alright. So yeah, that is secondary. But anyways, this is how you can do trade faster. You would have seen me finding multiple trades. So applying my logics here, when I get a lot of stocks, then I check which stock is better. I just open their graph, cross check, look at their depth, look at their volume. Then I will go into positions because the risk is lower. Because as per this video, we need to enter at risk points where the risk is low. I will enter. So this scanners will help me to find stocks with that particular areas, or this stock will help me to understand where the stochastic stocks are. So based on that, I will have quick advantage rather than other beginner traders who don't know about these type of scanners. So you can start using this. I know you may feel confused or you feel something big is there in this. It's very simple. Few days when you use it will become very simple. Then you can start coding your own stuff. You can create your own strategy. You can create your own scanners and then use it. So everything will be saved in your my scans, all the names what you gave. So you can utilize it later. So anyways, hope this particular scanner will help you guys. The homework is whichever strategy you're learning or whichever methods you are finding, or else the same low risk or intraday strategy with stochastic, use that and paper trade for few days. Start picking the stock a little bit faster and see how it will help you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.